Hello, namaste to all. Guys, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome again to another daily dose of knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and spread the word. Do you know what is triple point? Triple point is the point at which the three phases gas, liquid, and solid of that substance coexist in thermodynamic equilibrium. The perfect example is water. It can exist in three stages as a gas, a liquid, and a solid simultaneously. It requires very specific conditions to achieve, so don't even think about trying it at home. The term triple point was coined in 1873 by James Thomson.